The Turkic peoples are a collection of ethnic groups that live in Central, Eastern, Northern, and Western Asia as well as parts of Eastern Europe. They speak languages belonging to the Turkic language family. They share, to varying degrees, certain cultural traits and historical backgrounds. The term Turkic represents a broad ethno-linguistic group of peoples including existing societies such as Altai, Azerbaijanis, Bulgars, Bashkirs, Chuvashes, Crimean Karaites, Gagauz, Karachays, Karakalpaks, Kazakhs, Khakas, Krymchaks, Kyrgyz people, Nogais, Qashqai, Tatars, Turkmens, Turks, Tuvans, Uyghurs, Uzbeks, and Yakuts, and as well as ancient and medieval states such as Dingling, Bulgars, Chuban, Turks, Khazars, Kyrgyz, Krymchaks, Cumans, Ottoman Turks, Seljuk Turks, Timurids, Turkics, Yenisei Kirghiz, and possibly Huns, Tuaba, Wusun, and Ajormu. Etymology. The first known mention of the term Turk, Pinyin, Tujuate Middle Chinese, applied to a Turkic group was in reference to the Gagauz Turks in the 6th century. A letter by Ishbara Khagan to Emperor Wen of Sui in 585 described him as the Great Turk Khan. The Orhan inscriptions use the terms Turk and Turkic. Previous use of similar terms are of unknown significance, although some strongly feel that they are evidence of the historical continuity of the term and the people as a linguistic unit since early times. This includes Chinese records, spring and autumn annals referring to a neighboring people as Bai-Di. During the 1st century CE, Pomponius Mela refers to the Tursi in the forest north of the sea of Azov, and Pliny the Elder lists the Tursi among the people of the same area. There are references to certain groups in antiquity whose names could be the original form of Turk, Turuk, such as Togama, Turaka, Turuska, Turugu, and so on. But the information gap is so substantial that we cannot firmly connect these ancient people to the modern Turks. Turkologist Andras Ronatas posits that the term Turk could be rooted in the East Iranian Saka language or in Turkic. However, it is generally accepted that the term Turk is ultimately derived from the Old Turkic migration term Turik, which means created, born, or strong, from the Old Turkic word root *turi, Tori ancestry, take shape, to be born, be created, arise, spring up, and conjugated with Old Turkic suffix, perhaps from Proto-Turkic *turike, from the Proto-Turkic word root *tor, possibly from a Proto-Altaic source *t-tori. This etymological concept is also related to Old Turkic word stems turi, toruz, and toz. The earliest Turkic-speaking peoples identifiable in Chinese sources of the Dingling, Gekan, and Xinli, located in South Siberia. The Chinese Book of Zhou presents an etymology of the name Turk as derived from helmet, explaining that taken this name refers to the shape of the Altai Mountains. According to Persian tradition, as reported by 11th century ethnographer Mahmud of Kashgar and various other traditional Islamic scholars and historians, the name Turk stems from Turk, one of the sons of Jafar. During the Middle Ages, various Turkic peoples of the Eurasian steppe were subsumed under the identity of the Scythians. Between 400 CE and the 16th century, Byzantine sources use the name Sigma Kappa Upsilon Theta Alpha Iota in reference to 12 different Turkic peoples. In the modern Turkish language as used in the Republic of Turkey, a distinction is made between Turks and the Turkic peoples in loosely speaking. The term Turk corresponds specifically to the Turkish-speaking people, while the term Turkey refers generally to the people of modern Turkic republics. However, the proper usage of the term is based on the linguistic classification in order to avoid any political sense. In short, the term Turkey can be used for Turk or vice versa.